Greetings friends and welcome back. Today is day 3 of 25 days of Christmas. Today's look was inspired by hot chocolate because that's what I had this morning. So that's what I was feeling today. I also just wanted to give a quick shout out to a very special group of people. For the past 2 weeks-ish, I've been working with a local high school on their production of Shrek the Musical, and at first I was kind of hesitant and I was like, do I really want to go back to high school? Because does anyone really want to go back to high school? But being able to be a part of their journey and their process and just watching them come to life on stage was such a humbling experience and just kind of reminded me why I do what I do and why I love doing what I do. And I think it's really important, especially like during the holidays when you're spending time with family and your friends and you have time to kind of focus in on yourself because you're not worried about schoolwork or anything like that. It's really a great time to kind of reflect on your journey and where you come from and, you know, what inspires you to do what you do. And I'm sad. I'm sad. I miss them already. They're just like, I'm literally crying over Shrek the Musical. I'm just really thankful to have had the opportunity to meet such a great group of kids and to have been just a little part of their journey and thank them for being a part of mine. So I'm just putting that on the internet because it's the season for sharing. But in any case, if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I promise there's no crying in the actual tutorial. So I decided to prime my eyes and do my brows beforehand just to save everyone time because I'm gonna do 25 of these videos and I don't think anyone really needs to watch me prime my eyes for 25 days. So we're just gonna skip all that and skip straight to the tutorial. For today's look, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar. It looks like this on the inside. To start off, I'm gonna use the shade Mousse in the crease. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Truffled and start working that in the outer third. And then going back in with that blending brush, we're just gonna blend out that edge there. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cocoa Chili. It's this kind of brown, glittery shade. And I'm gonna pack that in the middle of the lid. Going back in with our blending brush. Next, taking a smaller kind of packing brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Licorice. This is one of the best blacks I've ever used in a palette. It's so nice. And I'm gonna put that on the outer third to start deepening up the look a bit. And then going back in with the shade Truffled, I'm actually gonna use that eyeshadow brush and begin to blend out that black shade using Truffled. I find that a lot of times people are really scared to use black in a look, and I found that the easiest way to incorporate it without it just making you panic is layering it with other colors so that it's not just straight up black on your eye. As you can see here, it's really just become a really deep chocolate brown. So if you're too scared to use black eyeshadow in a look, go ahead and try that next time and it should ease your woes. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Mousse and start putting that on the inner third of the lid. Taking our blending brush, I'm gonna dip into Mousse again and use that to blend. And then just taking my finger in the shade Bonbon, I am gonna go ahead and throw my face on and I'll be right back. Okay, my face is on. Has that been like that the whole video? And To finish up the eyes, I'm gonna take my Japanesque smudgy brush. I don't even know, 341. I don't know what the real name is for this brush, but it's a smudgy brush now. And the shade Truffled, and I'm gonna work that under the lash line. Taking the Morphe Y19 brush, I'm gonna dip into Mousse, oh, this one, and start blending out that shade under the lash. Going back in with my smudgy brush, I'm gonna take the shade Licorice and focus that only in the outer corner. And then going back in with that Y19 brush, not adding any more product, I'm just using that to buff that black out. For the inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Butter Pecan. I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on, and then we'll finish up the look. Oh, you can see that clip too. Man, I suck. Oh well. To finish up the... What is this? To finish up the look, I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Teddy. And that concludes the look. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. Share it with your friends. If you have not already, please subscribe. Today is only day 3, so we've got a long way to go. Right? Today's day 3, right? Yes, it's day 3. Okay. Alright, that's all I got for you today, and I will see you tomorrow. And the shade... okay, let's try that again. Why do I have to say alright before everything I do? I'm gonna use this handy dandy smudgy brush. Can I speak?